We're here in the garage today, and Jack's job is to simply honk the horns. And you expect the horn to sound like that. Go ahead and honk the horn on that one. That's about what it should sound like, right? And as we move to the futuristic Honda CR-V, tough looking car, honk the horn on that one, would you? One more time. That doesn't match the car. So the horn should match the car. You've got this fancy commercial for a CR-V. Look at it, smooth in the streets, out in the country, looking good. Now we honk the horn and you get that. To the comments, using this horn will probably just encourage people to cut me off more. The CR-V's horn sounds like something from a clown car. This one almost makes me hesitant to use it for fear of being mocked by whomever I'm about to flip off. So let's look under the hood here and see what's going on. So we have to pop these little tabs. I gotta get like that. See how that pops up? And then that's the tab. These are a bunch of them. There's like, how many are there? 6? Pull off this thing. And here's the horn in question. Let's honk that horn. So there's a horn here, and there's a bracket right there. But over here, if you follow my magic screwdriver, that's where the other horn is supposed to screw into. They didn't put a horn in this area. So typically in a car, there are 2 horns. There's a high tone, which is what's currently in this car, and then a low tone, which is not in the car. Apparently, they've decided to save a little money. In the 23 and 24 CR-Vs, they didn't put the second horn in. Enough people have complained, so at the Honda dealer, they told me the 2025 CR-V is gonna have 2 horns. So we searched the internet, and College Hills Honda has a kit that they're selling, and Paul at College Hills Honda made a video installing the second horn.
Your new wiring harness is going to have a plug to go into the stock engine harness. Plugging the harness into the new horn first before bolting it in place. And now you're good to go.
Is it that easy? Well, let's hope. Here's the first horn. We've got to unplug this thing right here. Here's a 12mm socket. I'm going to unbolt the horn so I can get to the clip. Man, that's a long bolt for just a horn. Let's just try this screwdriver here. That worked. Oh, good. There you go. Let's lay this down here. We'll get out the new horn. So I guess this is from an Accord. Looks like that. Exclusive socket, easy assembling, steady connection. There's the item number right there. Here's a bolt. You get a horn, you get a bolt, and you get the wiring. So this part goes over there on the old horn, and then this stretches all the way around, goes to the new horn. 10mm socket, we have to loosen this thing right here. Okay, then you turn it just a little bit like that. So we've got the angle about right, but now we've got to plug this deal in right there. Put it back in, we're going to bolt it on. When you took the first horn off, it was a 12mm, and then the nut that comes in that kit here is a 1/2 inch. A little switcheroo there. They said to put it through the back here somewhere, but there's the radiator right there. I don't want to get these wires next to the radiator, so I think I'm going to bring it in the front here. And that's what I'm going to do. Here's the bolt from before. Stick it back in the hole. Okay, so you've got the low tone here, sounds like this. You've got the high tone here, sounds like that. And together, get out of my way, slowpoke. So there you go, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.